This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, July 16th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have this ridge over the eastern half of the country, the upper level low moving out of Texas westward into New Mexico. That'll be producing quite a bit of rain down there, but around here, the GFS is a little over rambunctious with some showers around, but it'll likely be a few clouds around, but mainly sunny with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s around. As we head off to Wednesday, you can see still the GFS a little bit over rambunctious with the rainfall. That might mean more humidity. It will be more humid. It'll maybe a cloud or two more, but still fairly hot and humid. Highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. That looks to be the case here on Thursday, as the humidity still remains quite high and temperatures remain a degree or two around 90 or so. But as that front to our north begins to come in on Friday, that could bring some showers and thunderstorms to the state. And that could also bring the temperatures down. It will bring the temperatures down this weekend, but Friday it'll still be warm and humid, highs in the mid to upper 80s to near 90. And then as that front moves through Friday night into Saturday, it looks like Saturday will now be dry. Could see a morning shower or storm, otherwise it will then clear. High pressure moves in from Canada, so temperatures will drop into the low 80s with lower humidity. And that looks to also happen here Sunday, high pressure over the upper peninsula of Michigan. That'll keep temperatures here quite below seasonal levels, maybe some upper 70s in some areas, but mainly lower to middle 80s from the central counties westward. Winds start to change around to the southwest here on Monday as the winds, as I said, move to the southwest. A warm front tries to move in. That could spark a shower or storm in western Iowa Monday afternoon and Monday evening. And you can see a week from today, you can see that disturbance moving along through Minnesota, northern Iowa into Wisconsin as the 594 ridge begins to redevelop over Colorado, Utah, into Nevada. And with that, that could bring us that warm front, as I said, with some showers and thunderstorms here Monday and then here into next Tuesday. So we could see some active weather and some needed rainfall by that point in about a week or so. Heading into the extended period here on July the 27th, we have a pretty big storm system moving through eastern Canada and northern New England. Otherwise, a flat ridge across the southern about half of the country. Main westerlies near the U.S.-Canadian border. You can see that storm over New England and eastern Canada. A couple of showers around, maybe some more humidity if this is right. Maybe some storms in North Dakota and in the Intermountain West with the monsoon. And at the end of the forecast, on July the 31st, that 594 ridge begins to move back at us again. We still have a light northwesterly flow that'll keep temperatures a little bit tempered down from being extremely hot, but we'd likely see highs probably in the mid to upper 80s, maybe touching 90 in a few areas, maybe a shower or storm around. But the rainfall, if this is to be right, looks to taper off toward the end of the month, and the heat looks to increase once again. The satellite image from last evening showed the upper level low over the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle. You can see the monsoonal flow coming through Arizona and the northern parts of Mexico. Otherwise, a few showers and storms in North Dakota up into Canada, and it was fairly quiet elsewhere. The watch warning map from last evening, we had a tornado watch in northern North Dakota that was expiring. We had a flash flood watch across Texas up into New Mexico and Arizona, with some flood advisories and heat advisories in Michigan and in New England. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall could be extensive across the northern tier of the country and across Texas into the southwest with that upper level low, so we'll have to wait and see about that.